So in order to set up Xcode, you'll first need to go to Google and then search for Xcode download, and then go to Apple's developer website. To come here, you have to be signed in to your developer account, and then you can see you have a couple of options. And here I'm downloading Xcode 14.3.1, and as you can see, it's already downloading. So once it's downloaded, I'll click on the downloaded icon, and then it will start expanding. Now here it will spend some time, and it will take a while to expand this onto your machine. So once it's done expanding, we will hit command space and search for Xcode. Once it opens, it will we will have to agree for T's and C's, and here we will have to enter our max password, and there we go. And here we will hit install. So it will install some essential components, and once it's done, and we will be good to go. Xcode is installed on our machine. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.